Hello everyone, today we are going to start the problems on account from incomplete record. So let's start the problem. Start the problem. I'm following Pankaj publication, so this is the problem number 1 from the Pankaj publication. Verma commenced business on January 1st, 2005 with a capital of 30,000. So वर्मा ने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया January 1st को with a capital 30,000. So this is the capital at the beginning. He immediately purchased machinery for 20,000. So on that same day, January 1st, he purchased 20,000 worth of machinery. On 30th June 2005, he borrowed 10,000 from his wife at the rate 10% per annum interest not yet paid. So on 30th June, he has taken loan from his wife for which he has to pay the interest 10% per annum and introduce further capital of 15,000. During the year, he withdraw 800 per month for domestic use. Domestic use means personal use. So these are the drawings. Every month he is withdrawing 800. So 800 into 12 months we have to calculate. On 31st December 2005, his position was as follows: cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtor, stock, bills receivable, sundry creditor, outstanding expenses, and machinery is to be depreciated by 10%. So he is asking us to calculate the depreciation on the machinery. Ascertain the profit and loss made by Verma during the year. So he is asking us to calculate the profit or loss made during the year. To find out the profit, we need to prepare the statement of profit or loss for the year. So it is the statement in this. First we have to take capital at the end of the year. To that we have to add the drawings and deduct further capital introduced and deduct capital at the beginning. So capital at the beginning is given in the question and we need to find out the capital at the end of the year. To find out the profit, we need to prepare the statement of profit or loss. In this, first we have to take capital at the end of the year, add drawings. From the drawings, we have to deduct the further capital, and also we have to deduct the capital at the beginning of the year. So, capital at the beginning of the year is given in the question. We need to find out the capital at the end of the year. To find out the capital at the end of the year, we need to prepare the statement of affairs. Statement of affairs is same like the balance sheet. How you prepare the balance sheet, in the same way you have to prepare the statement of affairs. So the main purpose of preparing the statement of affairs is to find out the capital. So capital at the beginning is given in the question. We need to find out the capital at the end of the year. So all the details are given in the question, assets and liabilities, and take the assets and cash in hand is given 600, cash at bank 8,000, sundry debtor 16,000, stock 18,000, bills receivable 5,000. And during the year he purchased a machinery for which we have to calculate the depreciation. So depreciation 10%, it will be 2,000. So 20,000 minus 2,000, the value of the machinery will be the 8,000. Come to the liability side, sundry creditors 2,000, outstanding expenses 800. He has taken the loan from his wife for which he has to pay the interest. So 10% loan 10,000, add outstanding interest. Total interest he has to pay for the 6 months. He has taken loan on 30th June. So the interest will be calculated from the July. So July to December, July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months. So he has to give the interest to for the 6 months. So 6 divided by 12. Loan amount is 10,000. 10,000 into interest rate is 10%. 10 by 100 into for the 6 months. We have to calculate for the 6 months. 6 by 12. So we will get 500. So add this 500 because he has to pay this interest amount. It is not yet paid, it is outstanding. So add 500. 10,000 plus 500, 10,500. Add all the asset side amounts, 600 plus 8,000 plus 16,000, 18,000 plus 5,000 plus 18,000. You will get 65,600. From this deduct sundry creditors, outstanding expenses and loan 10,500. You will get the balancing figure as 52,300. These balancing figure is the capital. Balancing figure means difference amount, assets minus liability. The difference amount is the capital. Now we find out the capital at the end of the year. Now we have the capital at the end of the year and also capital at the beginning of the year. So simply we can substitute here. Capital at the end of the year, which we found out from the statement of FA, is 52,300. From this add drawings 9,600. We'll get 61,900. From this deduct 15,000. You will get 46,900. From this deduct capital at the beginning. Capital at the beginning of the year is 30,000. You will get the profit 16,900.